Hello, my fashion lovers. Welcome to Splendor Show, to Splendor TV. Today is all about tutorial for your lip balm. Different styles, different styles of lip gloss that you can apply to your lip so that it can glow. Different type of lipstick, lip gloss, how to do it. So just watch out for the full tutorial of different types and different color of lip gloss. Your lipstick, lip gloss, anything you call it. Just like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Like, comment, share. Just watch out for different type of how to apply your lip gloss. So just watch out. There's different style, different colors on how you can add your lip gloss to glow like a lady, to be classy, elegant, beautiful, to glow like a beautiful lady. So just different angle and different style to apply your lip gloss, your lip beauty, to be beautiful. This is our original lip gloss and how to apply them to make you look classy and beautiful. Simple, classy and beautiful is all we do here. This is just a beauty and a fashionable channel. Just follow to learn more of how to make yourself beautiful, how to apply your makeup, beautiful lip gloss, your clothes, different type of your clothes, Ankara lace, and your ashebi style, anything your owambe, you will see it in this